Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sedum Dendroideum. I neglected this plant and it's been so leggy, so I will propagate it to have more plant. This is a beautiful plant when they get enough sunlight and proper care. The tips of it will turn to red. So now I'm going to cut some stems to propagate. This plant is easy to care for, just need a well-draining soil, bright indirect sun, and less watering. Now I'm cleaning the stems, taking off some leaves, and I will let them callus for a few days. This is pretty, especially when the tips got red color. Now I'm using cinnamon powder as a rooting hormone for the stem. It will help heal the wounds of the stem, and it promotes root growth. After 2 days, uh, the stems are already healed and they are ready to plant in the soil. I'm now putting the stems on the soil, and this will be kept in the shade area, not in direct sun, and water after few days. I'm now putting the stems on the soil, and this will be kept in the shade area, not in direct sun, and water after few days. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening, everyone. Bye.